Hello everyone, this is Teacher Lu. Today I'll be teaching you one of the features in Microsoft Word, which I believe is essential for teachers, or not only teachers, but also those who will be making a document like this, for example. What we have here on screen is a certificate of recognition given to our particular student or outstanding student at the end of the quarter. So type of document is for teachers, right? Now, what if in a seminar or you facilitate a seminar, for example, and there will be around 100 participants? So, as observed in most cases, in most seminars, you will be getting, or if you are the participants, you will be getting a blank blank entry, or your name is not indicated in the certificate. So you only be receiving this or getting you only be getting a blank certificate without your name in the certificate.